Shooting star. Now to make things more interesting, let's add a shooting star flying across the heavens. Use the disabled module shooting star which we've provided. To animate the shooting star, in the network view, select and enable the shooting star module using the default keyboard shortcut A. In the Tools toolbar, click on the Animate button and then select the Transform tool. In the timeline view, click on the first cell of the shooting star layer. In the camera view, click and drag the shooting star to its first position on the extreme left outside of the camera frame. In the timeline view, click on the last cell of the shooting star layer. In the camera view, click and drag the shooting star across the screen, ending at its final position. The system will automatically create the motion between the two keyframe positions. When animating the shooting star, make sure that the peg selection mode in the Transform Tool Properties view is disabled. The shooting star now moves at a constant speed along the straight line from point A to point B. To add a curve and a velocity effect, follow these steps. Select View, Show, Control to display the trajectory. In the camera view, position your cursor over the trajectory and press P to add a control point. In the camera view, click and drag the new control point to create a curve. In the Control Point toolbar, adjust the tension and continuity values to set your trajectory's curve. To add a velocity effect, in the timeline view, click on the Expand arrow and expand buttons of the shooting star layer to display its functions. Double-click on the Offset Velocity function of the shooting star layer. The Velocity Editor dialog box opens. In the Velocity Editor dialog box, click on the last keyframe and drag the handle towards the center to create a velocity curve. By default, the preferences are set to motion keyframes. This means that the system will automatically create the motion between the two keyframes of the shooting star.